guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So this video which you are going to watch now is about Rajasthan. So I traveled Rajasthan in 2019. So basically this is 25th April 2021. But since I got a lot of time to edit the videos of my previous travel, so I just edited this video and I have divided this video in 3 parts basically. So this which you are going to watch now is the part 1, in which you are going to see the sightseeing of Jaipur and nearby market area of Jaipur. So I hope you guys like the video, and in this video I traveled with my sister and my mom. Basically my mom was shooting in Jaipur for a long time. She was there for a year, so me and my sister went there for a few days, and also we traveled a few places. The places are Jaipur, Pushkar, Ajmer and also Ranthambore forest. And please watch full video and comment your reviews in the comment section, and I hope you guys like the video. Thank you.
He's our guide for now at the moment. Yeah. Okay. So now we are on our way to Albert Hall Museum. Albert Hall Museum. And after that we'll go to Tapri to hop on to food, lots of food. To binge on street food. Yeah. That's it, guys.
So did you click some good photos at Hawa Mahal?
Yeah, Manu Merchant Photography is with us, so of course I'm trying to promote him, the one who is the cameraman, making the video, making me look pretty, hopefully. Welcome to Jaipur! That's Babu Bazaar, that's Babu Bazaar.
And this is the end of the journey for the day. We have reached back home and yet more to come.
Day 2.
So we are headed to how it goes. We just got out of the city palace, and basically the thing is वहाँ पे tickets are 1,500 per head if you want to visit inside the palace, like see the rooms and everything about the kings and the queens over there, staying like past ancestors, their ancestors. But we did not take that ticket because it's way too expensive for us right now, and we took a ticket of 200. Students के लिए कम है, by the way. For students it's like how much?
For students it's like 100 rupees.
For students it's 100 rupees. No, 50. It's 50.
It's 100.
Okay, it's 100. And for normal Indian visitors it's 200. And for foreigners it's 3,500.
For Jantar Mantar we paid 50 rupees.
Okay, for Jantar Mantar we paid 50 rupees per head. It's just a park, and there are structures about zodiac signs. It's like weird. It's not exactly about zodiac signs, but the inscription has the name of every zodiac. So that's it about Jantar Mantar, and now we are headed to
Hawa
Mahal. With महाराजा का vintage car भी देख रहे हैं और हवा महल भी देख रहे हैं. राजस्थान का ब्लॉक पेंटेड, followed by राजस्थान का ब्लॉक.
This is the Maharaja's vintage car. How old is it? कितना पुराना है ये?
110 साल.
110 साल पुरानी कार. Hi guys, till now I was behind the camera and We are exploring Jaipur, me and Kushi, she's my sister. So right now we are going to Hawa Mahal. And till now, how's your experience, Kushi?
It was pretty good. The only thing is that it's pretty expensive. The palaces are pretty expensive for tourists. If you're a student, if you have a student ID card, then it's a benefit for you. But if you don't, then it's a lot. This is expensive.
Yeah. It's okay, Kushi, it's okay. We earn that much that we can explore the palaces.
I'm not earning, I'm a student.
It's fine, it's fine. So, thumbs up till now. So far, so good.
So as you can see, we are standing right in front of Hawa Mahal. It's absolutely beautiful. There are 360 windows. खिड़कियाँ हैं 360 खिड़कियाँ हैं. So basically people climb 80 steps, go on the 5th floor. You can see right there on the top. People climb 80 steps, go there and just take pictures and come down. That's it. Thank you भैया. This is our guide. आपका नाम बताइए.
Sure.
किशोर. Thank you uncle.
देखिए, सबसे पहले आप लोगों का वेलकम है। माई सेल्फ युवराज सिंह। आप घूमने के लिए आए हैं आमेर गाँव। जयपुर शहर की पुरानी रियासत है, कैपिटल है। ये गांव जो है 5000 साल पुराना है और इसको चारों तरफ अरावली की हिल्स ने कवर करा पूरा। आज भी कलर बनाते हैं आदिवासी लोग और उससे कपड़े तैयार करते हैं और इन कपड़ों की डिमांड मोस्टली फॉरेनर में ज़्यादा होती है, विदेश में।
Are you enjoying the sightseeing of the Amber Fort? So Kushi, this is the first time you are sitting in like Gypsy, the Mahindra Thar. How's it?
Thrilling.
Thrilling?
Really thrilling. Yeah.
So would you join me for Ranthambore Jeep ride?
Manav, we are in number 4 right now. Let's talk about that.
This is the closed gypsy. In Ranthambore it's open air gypsy, 4x4. It is
Let's
gonna
talk
be more
about
thrilling.
Soda right now.
Hi guys, so we are done with the Amber Fort. एंड मुझे शॉपिंग करने का तो ज़रा भी मन नहीं था एक्चुअली। कल मैं मॉम और मेरी बहन के साथ भी शॉपिंग करने गया था, बट एक्चुअली आई वांटेड टू सेव फॉर ट्रैवलिंग। सो एक्चुअली आई एम ट्रैवलिंग टू रणथंबोर डे आफ्टर टुमारो एंड देन मे बी अजमेर शरीफ दरगाह एंड पुष्कर। तो मुझे शॉपिंग करना नहीं था, पर वो शॉपकीपर ने मुझे इतनी अच्छी कन्विंस कर लिया एक्चुअली, इतनी अच्छी चीज़ें दिखाई और लाइक जेन्युइनली बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें थी। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा एक्चुअली। So far, so good. Enjoying the place. Jaipur has treated us well.
ये भोजनशाला है। इस तरह के राजा जयसिंह जी बाकी के इनके खास मंत्री हैं। ये सोने चांदी के बर्तनों के अंदर भोजन खाया करते थे। सब इसी तरीके से एक साथ बैठ कर पहले के दिन।
So I'm back, guys. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you really like the video, then please hit the like button and comment down your reviews in the comment section, and please share this video with your friends. And basically this was the part 1, so part 2 is going to be uploaded on next weekend, so stay tuned for part 2 and part 3. So I hope you guys are doing well, and just stay tuned, enjoy the videos, and I hope we all can travel soon once this COVID thing ends. So guys, stay blessed.